Hi everyone, how are you today? It is Thursday, sorry. Summertime gets me confused on the days of the week, and I usually send messages on Mondays, and so it's not Monday. So here we are. We're getting really close to the end, and I just wanted to walk you through the last couple modules. So you're currently working on the module 13, which is sex and gender, and there's the feedback, not the feedback, but the forum post for you to respond to by tonight at 11:59. So hopefully you're making your way through that. I'm going to be out of town for 5 days. So I won't probably answer emails as quickly as normal, but I wanted to just let you know that I'll check on my phone as much as possible. So I will get your messages. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Women's Museum in San Diego. I'm taking my daughter to San Diego, and so just so happens we're on the gender section. So I will let you know what I think of that museum. And this is Rosie, because she just seemed to want to be in the camera. So that's Rosie. Say hi, everyone. Are they doing a good job? They're doing an awesome job. All right, so gender is where we're at. I think marriage and family, or the family, has opened up for you already, so you're able to see that. And we're actually almost done with content, because after family, we have one more content piece, and that's social movements and social change. So that was a quick semester, wasn't it? This time next week, you'll be writing your final, done with your final maybe, if you're quick enough. I want to buzz down. So sort of, you can't really see it, and it's not really open yet, but your final exam is going to open up to you on the 14th at midnight, which is in 2 days, so that you have a long time to write it. So the final is going to consist of all the readings and content since the midterm. So it's not as much. This half is shorter. It's not really half. It's actually less than half. So everything from after the midterm is what's going to be testable material, and it's the same format as the midterm, so you can gauge how you did on that and then decide what you need to do, whether it be get writing help, make sure to include the course content a little more thoroughly, you know, those kinds of things. But I'm happy to answer any questions on that if need be. Sorry, my dog gets very worried when cars go down the road. So anyways, I want you to also just be mindful, though, that you're going to be doing a post that's due on the 19th, and a post that's due on the 16th, and two posts that are due on the 16th. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, including gender, you have 5 more posts. If you already did gender, then you have 4 more posts. If you already did family, then you have 3 more posts. So make sure you get those in. And I think that's all there is to say. I'm hoping that the content is interesting to you guys. The posts are really incredible. You guys are very thoughtful, and I appreciate all the material you're bringing in terms of links and videos and such. It seems like this stuff is resonating with you, which was absolutely what I was hoping for. So please share anything that's on here that you find meaningful with people that you want to share it with. If after the class is over or prior to it, there's a video or some content that will close with the shell, but you still want to hold on to, feel free to email me, and I can send it to you so that you can use it in your endeavors. And I guess that's it for now. But I'll check back in with you next week, and I'll see you in the forums. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care.